With these handy toilet cleaning tips, you'll get through this task in no time. Toilets can be a haven for bacteria. Keep your hands clean and dry by using a dedicated pair of rubber gloves separate from other cleaning tasks. It's a good idea to give the whole toilet a wipe down with a sponge and hot water. This will loosen any dirt and grime, making it easier to remove later. Apply toilet cleaner to the inside of the bowl. Make sure to get up inside the rim of the toilet, as this area is often ignored. Many cleaners work best when left to soak. Use disinfectant cleaner to cover the entire toilet and wipe everything down, including under the seat and around the cistern. Don't forget the handle or button, as this is touched every time the toilet is used. Now use a stiff toilet brush to scrub the entire bowl thoroughly. Paying extra attention to any deposits or limescale around the waterline and under the rim. Now flush the toilet while continuing to scrub. Repeat the cycle of applying cleaner, soaking, scrubbing and rinsing until all the stains are removed.